A linguistic framework for AI. If you've ever typed a long, detailed prompt into ChatGPT and still gotten something vague, off-target, or just mediocre, the problem isn't the model. It's the language interface between you and it. And today we're refixing that by showing you a repeatable linguistic framework that turns unclear intent into reliable output. Because most people treat prompting like giving orders when in reality it works more like briefing a collaborator. And once you understand that shift, everything changes. The frustration usually looks like this. You ask for a high-quality explanation or an advanced strategy, and you get a generic blog post. So the promise here is simple and achievable. By the end of this video, you'll be able to rewrite any weak prompt into a structurally strong one that guides the model toward the exact role, reasoning depth, and output format you want. The core idea we are using is that prompts function like compressed documents, not commands. And the useful metaphor is thinking of the model as a highly capable intern who works perfectly if the brief is clear, but fills in gaps randomly if it isn't. So our job is to control those gaps, and we do that with 4 steps that mirror how humans understand tasks. First, we anchor the role and perspective because without an explicit role the model defaults to a generic assistant voice. So a bad example would be, explain prompt engineering, which produces surface-level content, while a transformed version would be you are an AI researcher teaching experienced developers how prompt engineering works at a systems level. Explain the concept with technical precision and concrete examples, and immediately the depth shifts. Second, we define the task with constraints, because open-ended requests invite generic answers. So give me tips for better prompts is weak. But list 5 prompt writing principles specifically for analytical tasks, each with a one-sentence rationale and a before and after example narrows the solution space and improves quality. Third, we specify the reasoning and output structure, because models respond strongly to format cues. So, instead of help me plan a video, we move to think step by step. First outline the core thesis, then the supporting points, then propose a hook and closing CTA output as a numbered list which forces organized thinking. Fourth, we anchor quality with an explicit reference frame, because the model can't guess your standards. So write a YouTube script becomes write a YouTube script with the pacing and clarity of a high-retention educational channel. Concise sentences, no filler, and frequent viewer call-ins. And now we're steering style, not just content. Let us bring this together in one cohesive example by creating a prompt for a video about learning faster with AI, where, instead of typing something vague, we say, you are an educational content strategist, helping professionals use AI to accelerate learning. Create a 10-minute YouTube script that explains one core framework for faster learning. Include a strong opening hook, a clear step-by-step method, and a practical exercise. At the end, think step by step and write in an authoritative but accessible tone. And notice how every part of that prompt reduces ambiguity and increases alignment. Your immediate next step is simple and practical. Open ChatGPT. Take the last prompt you used that disappointed you and rebuild it using just role constraints and structure done. Add more words, add more intent. And if you want to go deeper, we'll be breaking this framework into advanced variations like iterative prompting and self-critique loops in the next video. So if this helped you think more clearly about how language controls AI behavior, like the video, subscribe for the next layer of this framework, and comment with one prompt you want to upgrade next so we can analyze it together.